One of the frequent questions we get about silk is what's the difference between the silk peg and silk collateral? In this video, we'll explain the difference between the two in simple terms. The silk peg is silk's target price. This peg was selected after careful discussion by a community research team who ran the data and found that this was ideal for preserving purchasing power over time, especially as opposed to pegging to the US dollar, which is what essentially every other stablecoin does. So instead of a price of $1 like every other stable, silk's peg floats and actually appreciates over time as the value of this peg composition slowly increases. Because the peg has a little bit of gold and Bitcoin in it, that volatility helps offset the slow erosion of value that typifies the currencies in this basket. And by the way, silk never actually spiked to this price. This is just a data reporting error on CoinGecko's side. So in really simple terms, the peg is the value that silk's price tracks. The peg is a signal for how we expect the market to price silk. Collateral is a different story. It's different because collateral is the value that actually backs silk. If the peg says that silk should be priced at 115, what guarantees do we have that you can actually redeem silk for that amount of value? That's a different question. And silk's over-collateralization model is the answer to that question. Because in order to mint silk, that is to create new silk and bring it into existence, users deposit collateral like Bitcoin, staked Ethereum, staked Secret, or staked Atom into a minting vault. And right now, locked away in those vaults is well over 3 times the market cap of silk. That means all of the collateral, if every single asset backing silk crashed by over 70%, silk would still be solvent. In that scenario, though, a feature we have called Silk Earn, where users have deposited silk, that helps facilitate redemptions and pull silk that has at-risk collateral off the market, reducing the supply. Of course, that's just one of silk's stability mechanisms, and there are actually 5. If you want to take a deeper dive into those, then check out the longer video linked in the description. But for now, that's a quick explanation of the difference between the silk peg and silk's collateral.